Hi, welcome back to my channel, okay? I'm gonna show you how I made this dress, alright, okay? I am using milk cotton, and I've just picked 4 colors, and I'm sticking to that, and a 6.5mm hook. It's very easy. It's 1 front panel and 1 back panel. Okay, so you have 2 identical panels like this, and then 2 for the sleeve, alright? Like this. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the stitch. It's really easy, it's just a granny stitch, okay? So for the sleeves, you want to make a chain as long as you want them, okay? And mine is 70, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do that. And do chain 3. And then double crochet where you were holding. And then 1 more, and that is your first cluster, okay? Then it's chain 1 and skip 3 chains and put it in the next one, and 3 again, 3 double crochets. Then chain 1 again, skip 3, put it in the next one, okay, so you're going to want to do the same stitch all the way to the end. 3 double crochet, chain 1, and then skip 3 and into the next one. Okay, I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, so I finished here now, and I'm at the end. I messed up a little bit here and I've got extra stitches, but I'm just going to do the double crochet into the last one here, okay? Okay, so for the end, it's always just 1 double crochet at the end of the row. And the beginning is always 3 here, and then every cluster is 3, okay? As long as you're making both sleeves exactly the same size, it doesn't matter. For this one here, I have 18 clusters along. So as long as I make this one the same, it's fine. Okay, we're about to change color now, and I'll show you how I usually do it.
Okay, so I'm using this one next to continue the pattern. I actually do it like this. I actually do a double crochet, half of it, and then I bring the new color in. Okay, and just make sure you pull those ends. And for the next row, we chain 3, okay, turn it around, and then we're going to do 3, we'll have the same cluster in here, so that's 1 already, 1 double crochet, and then we need 2 more. And then chain 1, okay? So when it ends with 1 here, it always starts with 3, and then we're going to do the same 3 double crochet into every space all the way along with that chain 1 space in the middle.
Now when you get to the end here, maybe you don't know what to do here, chain 1, and then we're going to put the double crochet inside here, okay? You can do it at the top here or inside. I usually do it inside here. Okay, and we're ready for the next row. Okay, if you were continuing on with this color, then you just keep going like this, chain 3, turn around and do your double crochets again, okay? But I'm going back to the blue again, so I'll do the same thing that I did to change the color and show you. Okay, here we go again. Double crochet. Pull that through, okay? Then chain 3 again. Turn your work. 2 more double crochets in here. Chain 1. You see? It's 3 here, 1 here, 3 here. And then we'll do 3 double crochets again.
Chain 1. And we keep going until the end. And this is the pattern I'm following here. So light blue, dark blue, and then 2 pink, and then 5 gold. Okay, you can change it to whatever you like, but this is just what I've done, okay?
Okay, so here's where I am. I've done 2 rows of the pink, and now I'm on the gold. And you can see it's end with the 1 double crochet. 3 here, 1 here, 3 here. Same at both sides, okay? Very easy once you're used to it. And you just keep going with that. Okay? I'll meet you back here when I've finished the same size, okay? Okay, you want to do 2 of these. And the pieces for the body, for the front and the back, is the exact same stitch and the exact same pattern that we're going to make. Okay, so I will put the measurements up here for you, and we're just going to go ahead and sew everything together. So I'm probably just going to sew this little piece here at both sides, and I will lay it all flat on the floor for you, okay?
Okay, so here's the front and the back panel here, identical. I actually made a mistake somewhere, I think. I made an extra row on one of them, but just as long as you make it the same on the other one. And here's the sleeves, okay? This one right here, I added an extra gold row by accident, but my dress, it's not noticeable, it'll be okay.
Hi, okay, so I'm just using the pink thread and I'm going to sew it together with a needle. I'm just placing them together like this and then going in and out of every stitch. It's a very big neckline right now, but we're gonna sew more later. I'm just gonna see how it goes. Okay, so I've just sewn up these tiny bits here. Doesn't look promising right now, but there it is, right? I'm definitely probably sew more later on, but that's it. Now we're going to try the sleeves. So I'm going to take it off again and sew these on. Okay, here's how it looks down on the floor, okay? This is what I've just sewn, and I've got the sleeves here. We're going to try and find the middle part here, and then we're just going to sew from one side all the way to the other. And I'm going to stick to using blue. I tried using pink here and it was really bad. So I'm going to use this blue color, and then everything should blend in okay. Alright? And make sure that both sides here are equal. You have the same pattern on either side. Okay? Alright, I hope you can see. No. Okay, we've done one side here, sewn it together. Now we're on the other side. Okay, so I've sewed up everything, the edge here and the sleeves on both sides, and this is what it's like right now. Okay, so next thing I just need to sew down here and then down here, okay? So you want to use a matching color again when you're sewing it. I'm probably going to use this light blue. And then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, hopefully it's good. Okay, so here's where we are so far. Everything's sewn up together, and I've left little splits at the sides. I quite like it, but see here, I think I might do a border around here. Maybe in the blue color of maybe single crochet, I'm not sure yet. Here's a finished dress, what do you think?